Step 4, calculate the total sales. So your total sales is where you take your credit sales, add your cash sales. So in the question, we calculate our cash sales, 371,170, because any money we have, we either use that money the money we get from sales, that's what we use to pay our expenses. So that's why these expenses are paid from the sales that we've actually generated in the business. So our cash sales is going to be 171,170. And our credit sales then from step number 2, it's going to be 34,600. It's just going to add those two together. So 171,170 for your cash, 34,600 for your credit. So your total sales, 205,770. And that goes into your trade. Your purchases then. So once again, go back up here to step 2 and step 3. So you purchase it here for cash of 51,000. That tells us in the question over here. The cash purchases then are part of step 2. We'll do your creditors control account, that balance figure of 31,300. So those two are added together to get your total purchases. So you're going to get 51,000 plus the 31,300 gives you 82,300. Drawings then, so always have a look to see, so to take any of the stock for personal use. It takes €80 per week of stock, so 80 by 52 into your drawings, which is 4,130. So that's going to reduce your total purchases to 78,140.